Hey, this is Ms Kelsey Rae. Welcome back, Sunshines. Are you ready to draw with me today? Okay, grab a piece of paper and a pen or pencil, crayon or marker, coloring pencil, whatever you would like to draw your picture with. Go ahead and grab those and I'll wait. There once was a man. He was being chased by bees. Oh no, what would you do? To get away from the bees, he jumped into a pond. He wanted to dry off, so he found a cave nearby. Within that cave, there were 2 more caves. Inside those 2 caves, he found 2 donuts. And he was so grateful because he was hungry. He kept going for a walk until he found 2 hot dogs. And you wouldn't believe what was next to the hot dogs. There were fries. Do you see what I see? What will you name yours? Thank you for playing along. And until the next party, stay loving, stay positive, and stay you.